What's up, y'all? It's the Maverick out here in Louisiana. First time getting snow in a long time. Definitely living out my inner child right now. I made a snowman. We call him Icy Slim. Check out the details, y'all. Icy Slim. This is smell. Yup. What's up, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. Today we have the reimagined Black Metallic 5. Not only am I going to be doing a review on this shoe, I'm going to have another video coming out where I compare the 2011 and 2016 pair to this 2025 release. All right. And also, we are still on the road to 1K subscribers, so make sure y'all keep subscribing, keep sharing the videos, keep liking the videos, commenting, and just keep supporting us, and we thank y'all for the support. All right, y'all, before we get into the review, not only is it going to be a review, we are going to be showing y'all an on-foot video as well. So that will come on later in the video. But now let's get into the review. All right, y'all, this is the box that it comes in. It's a regular box. The size tag reads black, white, metallic, silver. Just make sure y'all size tag looks like that, and just make sure it's a real credible shoe. It's wrapped in this black paper. Black trash bag paper. It also comes with this divider thingy. It comes with the white laces on them, and then a pair of black laces is on the shoe. Michael Jordan did wear the Black Metallic 5s with white laces, so white laces and then black laces if you want to change them. But personally, I like them with the white laces. But yeah, as you can see, of course, it's mostly black. It's like a black nubuck material on the uppers. We got the white laces, of course, black eyelets, quarter paneling. Then we have this metallic silver and then like splattered paint on the shark tooth detailing. Then also on the inside of the shoe right here. On the tongue, it's like this reflective. Then it has the red Jumpman logo. The reflective material is called 3M. So this is what this is called if you didn't know. On the inside of the tongue, it just says Air Jordan. This is what the inside looks. Got like a red insole. Says Nike on the bottom. Can't really show y'all, but just make sure that y'all Let me see. Can you see that? Okay, cool. Make sure the inside of your shoe is red at the bottom. All right. On the back, it says Nike Air. Instead of the Jordan Jumpman, it says Nike Air on it. All right, on the bottom, icy blue sole. Then it has the Nike and then the Jumpman at the bottom. Also, like where the threading is, it's like white. And yeah, that's pretty much all the details of the shoe. These are coming out February 8th in full family sizing. I do have a grade school pair and a Toddler pair, just so y'all know exactly what it looks like. Oh, forgot to mention, it does come with a hang tag. A plastic hang tag. This is the grade school pair. It's the same kind of box as the men pair. Black, white, metallic, silver. It says the same thing. Sure. Wrapped in the same type of trash bag paper. This is what the grade school pair looks like. They also come with black laces. No hang tag on the grade school pair. So if your grade school pair got a hang tag, then I'm telling you now, they ain't real. So you should know what's up. Grade school, it's the left shoe. Like I said, no hang tag. All right. Now, Toddler. Toddler, black Jordan box, black, white, metallic, silver. It's the paper it comes wrapped in. They don't come with black laces, just the white laces. It only says Nike. It don't say Nike Air on the back. The space on the heel is different. The grade school pair is more like the men pair, and this one's different. So your toddler shoe should look like this. Also, the position of the Jumpman is different on the bottom. And these say Jordan, the grade school, and then the men pair says Nike. So let me just show you that real quick.
Yeah. How you gon' tell me something, man? You ain't been through nothing. How'd that go? They want me dead, they don't want me alive. They want you off your pivot when they see you on the rise. Baby mama say I don't do my part, that and all my friends are dead. Shout out Uzi, free the guys. Yeah, I look like, but I'm heavy. I got peas, I got lot of racks in the Chevy. I was gangster when you met me. 2 phones and they ringing. How you broke? What's the meaning? Niggas talk like they demons. Put them bitches in the cement. Love that smoke, I be fiending. Yeah.
All right, y'all. Like I said, black metallic 5s. These are full family sizing. We have a toddler pair, a men pair, and then a grade school pair as well. Don't have a preschool pair, but you pretty much get the gist of how they should look. They are coming out February 8th, so make sure y'all cop. I definitely say this is a must cop. This is my pair. I definitely say y'all should get these. I really, really like it. There is a few differences from the older pairs, but I like it. I like all the differences, so I have no problem with it. But this concludes the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We still are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. I said it earlier in the video, and I'm gonna say it again. Make sure y'all keep subscribing, keep liking the videos, keep commenting, and keep sharing them. Peace.
You beat the body in the studio. They say my style is original.